Welcome to Dear Dr. Mao. Today I'm going to talk about prevention and natural solutions for varicose and spider veins. Later on in the episode, I will give you tips on how you can prevent and reduce this unsightly and sometimes painful condition. First, what exactly is varicose veins? It is the result of faulty operation of the valves within the veins, which normally help the blood move from the arms and legs back up to the heart. And when these malfunctionings occur, then the veins dilate, resembling sometimes like twisted ropes, and then a milder form of this condition results in what is called spider veins. This process of moving the blood, often against gravity, back up to the heart from your extremities is similar to the locks on the Panama Canal, where each lock prevents the backflow of seawater which allows the ship to move from lower elevation of the Pacific to the higher elevation of the Atlantic Ocean. When the valves within the veins become defective, blood pools in these areas, enlarging the veins and producing bulging rope-like features on the skin. With varying degrees of severity, you may experience pain, heaviness in the legs that are often worse at night or after standing for long periods of time or after exercise, ankle swelling, and discoloration of the veins. Sometimes you can also develop dry, itchy eczema patches on the skin around the varicose veins. In the worst case scenario, the skin is permanently discolored as a result of waste products building up in the legs. Varicose veins is more common in women than in men and can result from hereditary factors, pregnancy, overweight, menopause, aging, prolonged standing, or, believe it or not, excessive straining from chronic constipation. That's right, constipation. Western medicine employs several methods of treatment. The most common is the injection of salt water to shrink and collapse the veins. Other methods include laser or radiofrequency ablation to destroy the veins, or simply surgery to strip out the affected veins. In Chinese medicine, varicose veins results from weakness of the muscles and connective tissues that are governed by the spleen network. With chronic weakness comes the pooling of blood and energy, leading to varicose and spider veins. Our treatments focus on strengthening the spleen network, supporting healthy blood vessels, and toning the muscle and activating the movement of blood and qi energy. Clinically, we use acupuncture with microcurrent stimulation, acupressure, and massage to stimulate blood circulation and target local areas with topical and herbal nutritional therapies that help reduce swelling and discoloration. Of course, if you experience severe pain, bleeding, or lumps around the varicose veins, you should see a vascular specialist immediately, as these may be signs of a blood clot or DVT, deep vein thrombosis. Outside of these clinical treatment methods, here are 5 tips to help you prevent and lessen your varicose and spider veins. Tip number 1. Eat foods that are rich in rutin, a bioflavonoid, powerful antioxidant that improves the walls of your veins. These foods include citrus, apricot, blueberry, cherries, millet, ginger, onions, and cayenne pepper. Be sure to eat the peel of the fruit, especially the citrus fruit. That's where all the bioflavonoids are. And don't forget to add omega-3 fatty acid-rich foods such as walnut, flax seeds, and fish. Tip number 2, avoid prolonged standing or straining. If your job requires you to stand for long periods of time or sit on long plane rides, try wearing compression socks that will prevent blood from pooling in your lower extremities. Tip number 3, take herbs that are known to benefit vein health. There's a long tradition in Chinese medicine of using herbs to treat varicose and spider veins. These include saffron or safflower, peach seed, motherwort, horse chestnut, and butcher's broom. Tip number 4, lose weight. Studies show that obesity can put additional strain on your legs as well as make it harder for your blood to return to your heart, therefore causing veins to bulge. Undertake a gentle but methodical weight loss program involving healthy eating, regular exercise, and stress reduction. Try Be Slim, which contains herbs that help reduce cravings and support metabolism. Tip number 5, take B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and biotin. that strengthens blood vessel and prevent varicose veins. I personally take Super B, our special formulation, on a daily basis. You can find everything I mentioned at dowstar.com. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful for your health. Tune in next week when I'll be talking about gum disease and oral health. Until then, live long, live strong, and live happy.